Hi there. In this tutorial we are going to talk about delay connector. In some cases, you may want to pause your workflow for a certain amount of time. To be specific, pausing the workflow means pausing the execution to continue from step to another step. This can be done easily with Easyflow. The delay connectors allow you to choose the waiting period and the type such minutes, hours, days, weeks and months. In this video, we are going to demonstrate a scenario of inserting records into Google Sheets. In the first case, the record will be inserted instantly without any delay. In the second case, the record will be inserted after a 1-minute delay. Let's see how it works. First step is to connect to Google Sheets and configure the Add a Record operation. We are going to insert the record instantly into the delay spreadsheet. As we are looking to use the nowDate syntax expression to be inserted into Google Sheet, it's better to prepare its payload in a mapper connector than map it to Google Sheets data. Let's add an additional mapper connector and a Google Sheet connector to insert a new record after the 1-minute delay. Finally, ensure all the steps are linked together and the first step instant payload is set as a starting point. Let's run the workflow using the Run button and see the results. As you can see, the first record was inserted instantly, while the second record after 1 minute 50 seconds. Please consider 1-minute delay could be anything between 60 seconds and 119 seconds. Thank you for watching this tutorial.